saying? You alright? You're right. Yourself. You are Mr. Independent. What did you just do?
We can't roll papas.
Oh, one end needs to be underwater, Dan.
Yeah.
Nice job, buddy.
Here, I'll hold this end underwater, and now you blow into it.
I can't
So-
float them.
You need a better seal.
Just a little bit underwater.
Oh.
I
Here.
this.
Okay, Colin. Okay, do it again. Yes! There it is! You blew bubbles right in Xavier's face. So now look, you can hold one end.
Good job,
Can
X.
you hold it? And blow the one that's above.
Are you swimming by yourself?
I told Mom.
Yeah, honey?
I told.
You want my hand?
I told.
You are turning. Where do you want to go?
Daddy.
That way.
Mama, but to my feather double one.
Sure, let's do it.
Feather.
You got it? I gotcha.
Hey, buddy. You're doing so good.
Thanks, Dad.
Done.
Done.
Look at me.
Look at you.
Wow, how did you do that?
I just learned it.
How did you learn that? You're swimming a little.
Whoa.
So-
Whoa. Go. Hi, Mom.
Hi, X.
You're swimming like a fish.
You're a good swimmer.
Are you a fish?
Okay.
Go go see Colin.
Hi. Hi.